Fix your haunted doorbell, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. If your doorbell is ringing on its own, don't worry, your house probably isn't haunted. Doorbells can malfunction for a variety of reasons, and this video is going to guide you through the steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Let's bring that doorbell back under control, shall we?
What could be wrong?
First off, let's talk about why your doorbell might be ringing on its own. The most common culprits are often wiring issues, a stuck button, or problems with the transformer. This video will guide you through how to identify and deal with each of these issues.
Check the doorbell button.
The simplest issue to check for is a stuck doorbell button. Go to your doorbell and press the button a few times. Does it spring back up after being pressed? If it doesn't, that's likely your problem. To fix a stuck doorbell button, unscrew the button from the wall, clean it thoroughly, ensure nothing is obstructing the button's movement, and replace it.
Inspect the wiring.
If the doorbell button is not the problem, it's time to check the wiring. Before you do anything, make sure to turn off the power to your doorbell at your home's main circuit breaker to avoid any accidental shocks. Then, you can unscrew and remove the doorbell button from the wall again, and inspect the wires behind it. Look for any loose connections or damaged wires, and if you find any, secure them or replace the wiring.
Check the transformer.
If the issue persists after you've checked the button and wiring, it could be a problem with the transformer. Transformers can sometimes become faulty over time. You'll need a multimeter to check the voltage of the transformer. If the reading isn't in the normal range for your particular doorbell, usually between 16 and 24 volts for most homes, it may be time to replace the transformer. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your doorbell ringing on its own. If you've checked all these potential issues and the problem still persists, it might be time to call a professional electrician to take a look. But in many cases, these simple fixes will do the trick. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your DIY home repairs.